Ciao ragazzi, adesso facciamo gli esercizi di listening a pagina 115, numero 4 e 5. Ascoltiamo.
Unit 6, page 115. Exercises 4 and 5. Hello, Amy.
Hi, Mark. Where are you?
I'm at the bus station. My bus arrived 10 minutes ago.
Great. I'm at the art gallery next to the museum. Shall we meet at Sam's Cafe?
Yes, sure. Where is it?
It's next to the theatre in Hope Street, near the shopping centre.
Can I walk there?
Yes, or you can get the bus. There's a bus stop in front of the bus station. Take the number 23 bus and get off near the police station on the corner of Hope Street and King Street. The cafe is on Hope Street, opposite the police station, between the theatre and the church.
Okay. So I go to the bus stop in front of the bus station, take the number 23 bus, and get off at the corner of Hope Street and King Street. Then the cafe is opposite the police station, between the theatre and the church.
That's right. See you soon.
Okay, bye.